Hi everyone. Need to move your existing contacts into Zoho CRM. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import contacts quickly using a spreadsheet file, so you can start managing your customer data in just a few minutes. First, sign into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the Contacts module from the navigation menu. Next, click the Import option. Zoho CRM will ask you to upload a file containing your contact information. Most users import a CSV file, but other supported formats may also be available. Choose your file from your computer and upload it. After the upload is complete, Zoho CRM will display the fields from your file so you can match them with the correct CRM fields. Review each field mapping carefully to make sure names, email addresses, phone numbers, and other details are matched correctly. If needed, adjust the mapping before continuing. Once everything looks correct, start the import process. So, depending on the size of your file, the import may take a few moments. When it's finished, your contacts will appear in the Contacts module, and that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Zoho CRM. Your customer information is now ready for organizing, communication, and sales tracking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.